Welcome to my content creation for dummy series where I teach you about things that no other creator is talking about. Today we're going to talk about tech equipment. Lighting is obviously an important part of content creation. Years ago I would only use ring lights, but I've graduated from that and I actually like to use LED panels. I have two panels that are actually really above me and they reflect down into this gold reflector I have down at my desk. And then I also have two lights that are hitting me on the sides just to make sure I'm really getting a full degree of lighting. The lights on these panels are pretty strong. I like to use a pillowcase that kind of diffuses it. I also like to have some type of portable creator set, even just bringing one of those like small lights you can clip on your phone. And when you can use natural lighting, you can also get a section phone holder where you can just stick your phone directly on a window. When talking about a background, a lot of people like to use something plain, but I do think it's kind of nice to have something a little bit organic. I think your audience gets to see a little bit more about you and your personality and your taste. If you like a blurry background, you're going to need to have a device where you can adjust your aperture using an f-stop. You can invest in a camera with a lens where you can adjust the setting, but a lot of the newer iPhones have a cinematic feature, which kind of does the exact same thing. If you really want to elevate your content, I recommend investing in some type of audio equipment. Right now I'm using a microphone, but I'm going to show you what it sounds like without it. This is how my content would sound without a microphone. It's fine. But when you do invest in a nice microphone, it really just elevates your content and it's a little bit nicer on the ears. Now I'm back to using my microphone. Hopefully you can tell like a little bit of the difference. I have a sitting microphone at my desk, but I also love those like little cute portable microphones that you can clip onto your shirt and just plug into your phone. I wish someone told me about the amount of adapters you're gonna need to have. I have a lightning adapter that connects to USB, USB, and SD card. A lot of equipment just isn't compatible with one another, so you're gonna need a lot of adapters for that reason. I know this might sound a little bit silly, but having a portable charger as a creator is so important. Filming and uploading content can take up so much of your battery, so having a portable charger has just saved me in so many occasions. Hope this video was at all helpful. If you're looking for any product recommendations, don't worry, I had them listed in the caption, but I also have a full list linked in my bio. Let me know what topic you guys want to see next. Thinking of taxes and investments, like, I don't know, something like that, but let me know what you guys want to see.